Begin by selecting the structural columns as your category in the MOSTRA dialog, where you can choose how your model gets brought to life using color-coded palettes. Notice the power of visualization as colored elements in your 3D view distinguish parameter values like Nivel 01. Use MOSTRA to make inconsistencies visible. Missing or inconsistent parameters become apparent. The result is an intuitive representation with elements organized into categories effortlessly. Utilizing graphic overrides applies color palettes such as traffic light to provide a clear status view. Check results compiled in the MOSTRA Results dialog, showing how many elements reside in each group. MOSTRA seamlessly switches between parameters, allowing you to focus on what's important. Finally, relish the ease that seamless visualization brings to your planning process. Experience it today. Download MOSTRA free on the Autodesk App Store.